Hey everyone, it's Dillon King with Home Buyer Louisiana. I am standing in a house we are going to buy for cash as is. You can look around me and see that it's in rough condition. I honestly, if you look down here, it looks like I'm outside. And the reason is because the whole roof totally destroyed. Some of it's still there, but it's not really doing much help. Place is fully gutted. I mean, honestly, I can't tell if there's more what seems to be possible fire damage or water damage from the hole that's been in the roof for who knows how long. We've got leftover furniture. You can see here behind me, we've got furniture in here. Honestly, not quite sure if people even just maybe thought about this being possibly a tear down. Because there's so much damage to this property. But that's okay, because we have partners. We do this all the time. We come in, homebuyerlouisiana.com. If you have a property similar to this or have someone you know that has a property similar to this and doesn't know what to do with it, send them there. Tell them to fill out that form and get in touch with us. Because I am here. We are interested in this property as is. We're going to buy it as quickly as we can, and we come in with cash. So, like I said, I don't know if was a storm damage that turned into, the hole in the roof here that led to more damage happening inside. It does seem like some of it has been through a fire for sure. Yeah, look, so you can see that beam is totally charred. So there's definitely been some fire damage going on here. Broken windows. Like I said, this house is on the verge of being a tear down property if it's not for sure. But we're not leaving them hanging, and we won't leave you hanging. So go to homebuyerlouisiana.com and tell us how we can help you with your property.